Appearance. Mathematics pursued every possible proportion in the universe, better known as the appearance. In each ratio direction of relationships, dimensions wrapped for the minds to breathe in, all mathematicians, some or none in timely manners. Curved surfaces, planets, universes, spacetimes with all geometries of those known to mind in appearance, simultaneously with depth, length and breadth, time, motion expands, while colors for some, monochrome for others. The void for appearance in Schrödinger, next group of sentinels wired hard to discover all possible maths and reciprocal cosmological structures, crafted quantum mechanics with discoverable plausibility, the apparent order within the chaos, infinity within the infinite, such that Adam evicted could believe it, everything being real and knowable. So many incomplete numbers, sets, and series, Gödelian and Cantorian infinities make a universe with boundaries impossible, with just the appearance within infinite spirit. A finite yet unbounded universe cannot contain its own infinities, nor could another be itself, another or nothing, while another larger theory made in the appearance rests upon the foundation of God. An evolution of tungsten steel-shaped form in chaos emerging from all permutations were four-ordered states with natural selected simplicity. The creatures reached the glass ceilings of mind. The war of Shambhala raged outside within the mist and shadows like a sentient storm on a planet's girth. Ants ran to and fro, building domination of the wood and mountains, hills and plains swollen like a pregnant beast from ravenous incoming civilian New Age soldiers of occupations led by the ostrich, depleting resources, driving the world to a few puffs of dust in the desert, smoke on the horizons, 4 dimensions of sieging souls of sin, biting furies of snowstorms, shadows and sunlight, fading to night. The silent moon quieted down, and thoughtless. Steep, uncertain darkness. Darkness is all around upon the sea. Darkness is worse than an even green in trees, where lawns fade away before darkness is a rack. Rushing freight trains, sounds present monstrous towers, knack, crushing black wave surges riot to dominate adrenaline hours, a boat smashed to be free from a harbor looter's sack. Changes, like flotsam jettisoned as such in the interminable night storm, broken rudder, tossing sea until a bright early morn. Broken forms before the one. All of these descriptions and colors, placed in verse before sunset, must hurry, themselves like songbirds' feathers, dark and damp, cold, the bushes for 1,000 smallest sparrows. Flit upon the surface of space-time like thinnest ice crusts, covered the puddle is like a thing of waiting. Waiting for the ice to increase and water to decrease. Waiting for the crunchy snow to stop, and silence waits to return for the ears of the deer munching moss. In the copse and over the hills, the deer awoke and moved, listening to the footsteps crunch along it drifted away, or ran startled at the intrusion into the noumenal for itself of food energy, nerveless, spindly legs unfrozen. As trees of the forest grew faster than mountains, places of mass, energy, and space-time drawn unto Earth, gravity drew even gas-giant planets of methane to orbits, warmed in sunlight's photons, and these words were written as the Earth turned away and farther spin drifted another year. Intelligence of the universe expanding in complex entropy, formations like a Google of imperfect snowflakes returning in broken forms to the one.